Good morning, guys. It is currently 6:50 in the morning. Like I said in the last video, if you're not gonna watch it yet, go watch the video. But I said that I'll be going to the dealership and also going to the Porsche events. That will be like 2-minute walk down the road or like 1-minute drive. So as you can see, we got the car clean. If you did not watch the video from yesterday, I basically like vlogged me washing the whole entire car, and as you can see, it looks super duper clean. Y'all know what dang, there's a few bugs on there. All right, whatever. But y'all know what time it is. It is cold start time. We're gonna play the guessing game. How about we guess like how much my service is gonna cost? So I need B service this time. Hopefully it is cheaper than A service, but I'm gonna set y'all down like right here and let y'all hear that nice mean cold start. All right, y'all rate that on the comments, on the scale. Y'all let me know how is it sounding. To me, it sounds really good. It sounds nice and mean because it will be like a 40-minute drive. So I'm just let the car warm up for a little bit before I start driving. All right, we just made it at the Mercedes dealership. It is 8:11. Our appointment was at 8. So I've been here for like a cool 15 minutes already. But as you can see, we got the Mercedes lineup right there. We got the 400 right there. We got mine, the 550. Got the AMG model back there. And then let's go check these out over here. Oh my God, bro, the 4G autos. And they got my beautiful car right there. It's starting to come off, as you can see. Look at that. Got bird poop on it. Dang, this car looks insane. All right, so we're getting an electric vehicle replacement because they said it's gonna take all day. We have to get a bunch of stuff done, but here is the car they're giving us, the EQS. This would be our loaner vehicle. Oh, let me show you guys this one right here. This GT63 with the matte black finish. Look at the brake calipers. Look at the rims. We got the AMG package on here. Carbon fiber wheel. And then my favorite, look at the seats. Oh my God, bro. The red seats look so good. And then as you can see, the carbon fiber steering wheel. But just look at this one I'm thinking about doing on mine, like wrapping this part black right here, like the window trim. Valencia courtesy vehicle. So yeah, this is probably our EQS 450 plus. I might drop a review video. But we were at the Porsche dealership. They got a Urus sitting up there, and then everybody trying to get in. They got a Corvette right there. But I'm gonna catch y'all once we get over there. Goodness, look at that. We got here like what, 8 in the morning, and it's currently 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and we are still up here. But hey, they got this one right here. I've been sitting like in the lounge area over there, just like charging the camera because they did die earlier at the car meet. But I did get some content of the cars leaving. This beautiful green GT63 AMG, by the way. You see it right there. This spec is like so beautiful. Look at that GT63S. I meant like the one that was out there in the Forgiatos, but of course they had the EQS. That was our loaner vehicle. Up in here, they have 2 Maybachs. So yes, this is the car that bounces up and down that you be seeing. Hey, look at the truck. Wow, love it. Mainly the rappers that have them Maybach, as you can see. And then this is the S680. This car is actually a V12, but the bill for today, it was $3,000. I posted it on my story. Matter of fact, let me pull out my Instagram story right now so you guys can see that I am not lying at all when I said the bill was $3,000. I don't know if it'll focus or not, but as you can see, that was my story right there. Cali the Kid. The bill was $3,283, which is insane. I did not expect to pay that much. And then also, they told me I'm gonna have to pay like another $12,000 to get the car like completely fixed, because you know the car is 13 years old. It is a 2010, so of course some things are gonna go wrong. Dang, my eyes look red. But I've been on my phone for like the last hour straight, not doing anything. But yeah, I did not expect to end up dropping like a whole down payment on a freaking new BMW M3. Like, oh my God, bro, that is crazy. I mean, once I get all these repairs done, the car will be good to go. Once I drop that like 13,000, however much, it's gonna be like over the next year. It's not gonna be like no time like soon. Probably next month I'm gonna come get the whatever it's called. But I'm gonna get something done like each month. I'm gonna get one thing done at a time. So I was going ahead and knock everything out because they do have the carb, like the Porsche event. Every first Saturday of the month, I will come bring the car up here to get something done. I think the cheapest thing on that list was $500, and then the most expensive thing was $4,500. Something with like the shocks or something gotta get replaced. It's like $1,500, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that one first because that is the most like major problem. And then I'm gonna knock out the $500 one, and I'm gonna work my way up to the $4,000 one. You're not getting a Mercedes as your first car. Oh my gosh, bro, you're gonna drop your whole entire paycheck just on the car or just on the maintenance. Like, don't get a used car, bro. Not get a used car. I mean, you don't have to do this, but hey, if you break down on the side of the highway, just know that's probably the reason why, because you're not keeping up with the maintenance. With these cars, you definitely do want to keep up with the maintenance on them, because you do not want to be on the side of the highway with your blinkers and getting that towed, because then you're gonna have to pay extra extra money. Just keep it with your maintenance, guys. Knock out that maintenance. Do not sleep on maintenance, especially if you're gonna be driving. If it's a daily driver, bro, knock the maintenance out, bro. I don't care how much it costs. Get it done, especially if you're a daily driver. You need a car that's reliable for your daily driver. But if it's like a weekend car or something like that, it could probably wait. You don't have to do it like immediately, but definitely take care of your car, guys. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. I know nobody like says this, but oh my gosh, bro, maintenance is killing me. Jesus. 11 bands at 16, like, I mean, not even 11, shit, like 15 bands at like 16, just to maintenance my freaking Mercedes. But they gave us like a really good EQS model because I know they're trying to make us an upgrade, which the car is paid off, so we're not upgrading, or I'm not upgrading. I would definitely not upgrade after I just dropped freaking 3 racks today. I did not expect to drop 3,000 today. I was like joking yesterday, like, haha, that it might be like 500, 1,000, boom, look at that. I was, oh my God, bro, 3,000. I was just kidding when I said it might be like 1,000 or something like that. But yeah, I might just catch y'all like once they call us and say the car is finished, because I am really bored right now and my phone is already about to die. Yeah, other than that, they said the car is good. This is like mainly because the car is so old. Of course, they're gonna need to get replaced, but it's like nothing like crazy. Like the engine doesn't need to get replaced, nothing like that. The car's not like beat or anything. The car's in like super duper good shape. Only thing is, like, you know, of course, all cars, once they get like up there in age, stuff is gonna go bad, needs to get replaced, all that. This is like stuff like that. But of course, since it's a Mercedes, it is going to be more expensive. But I'm gonna go back to the lounge area because I am bored. I don't feel like going outside either because it's like super duper hot outside. So let's just go back up in here. I'm gonna give me like a coffee. I deserve a coffee after spending like 3,000. I deserve this whole dealership to myself. But yeah, they got like a, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of weak. I don't know why they got other cars like locked up. Like, come on now. I'm trying to get some content for y'all, but they got everything locked up. But yeah, here's the dealership. Nothing too crazy up in here. I want to go to the LA one. I feel like the LA one might have some like super duper cool cars. But here's like a little gift shop area, little coffee stand area. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not like a huge dealership. The Porsche dealership is like way better. It's like way better and way bigger than this. I've been thinking about getting like a license plate frame or something like that. Some slight, like a black one like this one. A black one or silver one's pretty cool. Ooh, look at the AMG one. Definitely not getting that one right there. But not from here though, because I know it's gonna be like 1,000. They gonna tax. It's probably gonna be like 300, 500, something like that. Oh, I'm gonna grab me, once she finish, I'm gonna go over there, grab me a hot chocolate because I deserve it after spending somebody's whole entire like freaking rent on this freaking car. Like, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I know some of y'all like not used to this, but yeah, at the Mercedes dealership, they have like a whole little gift bar, whatever. They probably have a little bit more, but since later in the day, they probably ran out of some stuff. But I'm gonna probably just go with, this is my second hot chocolate of the day. I already had some Starbucks this morning, but I'm gonna just go, wait, I need a cup, I'm tweaking. Whoops. I'm gonna go with a hot chocolate.
Is there water in there?
It's hot water.
Cold water.
Oh, alright, I got you.
That smells good. This is better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. What's like a latte like cup? I'm probably just get the hot chocolate. I don't know what all that is, so I'm gonna go with the hot chocolate. Even though it's like super duper hot outside. Yep. 10. Oh, let's press mute. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna give me like a whole like TV show while I wait on my food to get done, or coffee, or hot chocolate. Oh, that's fire. Freaking $3,000 hot chocolate. It is what it is though. Alright, so finally we are back home. It is currently 7:07 p.m. I got home around like 6:30. Anyways, I went home, dropped off the food and stuff because we had got Chick-fil-A. Me and my dad brought it back to my mom and brother. So as you see right now, I came back to get some gas because I was on one bar gas. Because I was on like one tank of, because I was like on 1 bar of gas, it's gonna be like super duper expensive. But as you can see, the car is still looking really beautiful from when I cleaned it yesterday. But I do plan on going back to that car meet next month, July, the first Saturday of the month. So definitely expect that again, because that was super duper fun. Met a whole bunch of people. Gave out my YouTube channel. So yeah, I just hope to come back again. That was actually like really, I didn't expect, hey, I honestly didn't expect it to be that fun, because that was actually like really lit. I ain't gonna lie. But right now I'm just waiting on the car to finish. It's gonna take a while because, as you can see, it was on E basically. Like I was at dead ass like running on E. Look at that. We are still going $82 in. We are still going strong right now. All right, it just finished. $84. Look at that. Go ahead and take this out. And yes, since this car is a V8, it does take 91. It does not take 89. It does not take 87. It takes 91 right there. But let's go ahead and close this up. That is how much it takes right there to fill up my car. About $85, $80 depending. But honestly, I did not expect to drop that much money today. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, do you guys like the car content? Because I definitely will record some more content, car content for you guys. Because, hey, me personally, I love cars. But let's get the last start for you guys of the video. Let's hear it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, it's been Cali the Kid. I appreciate y'all for watching all the way through. And I might catch y'all in the next one.